Hello friends. I am Mahia. I'm going to show you how to use profit calculator in BOTISCO company. Click on the calculator link on the left side of the user panel. Using this calculator, you can easily calculate the profit you get from renting the company's robots. Choose your desired product. Enter the amount of capital you want. You can see with $30 capital, your daily profit will be 24 cents. Your weekly profit will be $1.20. And your monthly profit will be at least $4.80. Let me test another option with $300 capital. You can see with $300 capital, your daily profit will be $3.60. Your weekly profit will be $18. And your monthly profit will be at least $72. Good luck.